Mitchell? What you doing? We're going to make 25-hour fitness for more muscle power like this.
All right, let's go.
Destroy the Germans because they smell it. 25-hour fitness. 25-hour fitness. $25. Probably takes better videos than my phone. Huh, Arnold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Why do you keep looking at my kitchen that way? Right here's my dryer with my soap. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know why you stare at stuff so much, but okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Looks tasty.
Yeah. 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 The butter's been out for 3 weeks straight.
That's disgusting.
It's like cribs, dude. Alright, over here, guys, I'm gonna show you my dining room table. You know, it's how all the players get it done. Right up in here. All the players, we be rocking crystal and shit, man. All the players, we be rocking that shit. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm talking about? You know? I'm gonna show you where stuff goes down. Over here in my bedroom. Stuff happens. Making babies, making bacon. All of it. Right here's my bedroom. Yeah, I broke the end of that bed from thrusting motions. I don't know. No!
You have been terminated.